Hello, Miguel from Grumo here, and I want to introduce you to my new app made with Glide called Tindr, very similar to Tinder, which is a very popular dating app, but in this case, completely built from scratch without coding using Glide, my favorite no-code app building tool. So how it works from a user perspective, let's pretend we are beautiful married, and that we put our age, our gender, our city, and then what we're looking for. In this case, she's looking for males between 25 and 45 years old and no farther than 80 kilometers. Something very nifty is that she can adjust the distance or the age and the gender or whatever she's looking for, and you can see how many results she's going to be able to browse from, right? So let's say she's looking for this profile, and then she can start swiping. Left for no, right for yes. All right, this guy looks very hot, but maybe it's a no. No, 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 no. Wow, this is the most good looking man I've seen in my entire life. She's thinking to herself, and of course, she goes and says yes. Okay, so now let's pretend that I am logged in. And so I go here and I select Grumo. And of course, in my case, I'm looking for girls. And I'm just going to do what most guys do, which is yes, yes, yes. Oh, there you go. There's a match. The moment there's a match, you're taken immediately to a chat, a private chat, where you can start, well, I guess, chatting. Hi, you. By the way, never say this when you're dating. Try to be a little more original. And then we can start chatting, and maybe if there's any connection, we could meet. By the way, I'm married, so this would never happen in the real world. But let's pretend that it's you and you're single and you're doing this. Then obviously you start chatting, and then your matches would appear under matches, and then you can keep the conversation here. If she or he or it or they, it's very annoying, of course, you can delete the connection, and they won't be able to bother you anymore. And that is pretty much, I mean, if you're familiar with Tinder, this is all made with no code. I mean, I was able to build this in a few days, and I was very concerned that it wouldn't be possible to do, but it's completely possible. And the other side of the app is, let's say that you're the owner of the app, and so you would log in as the administrator. Let's pretend that I'm logging as John, the administrator. And when you're logged in as the administrator, you can see a new tab called admin. And you can see here all the users and the stats. So how many female, male, the total users, how many total swipes, the total matches that have occurred so far, and the average liked percentage, which means how liked are the average profiles. So right now it's 8%. And to give you an idea how would that work, under your stats, which this is, by the way, something that no dating app will ever reveal to you for some reason, maybe because you could get very depressed if you find out that most people don't like your profile. But I'm curious, of course, you could turn this off because the Glide apps are fully customizable. But anyways, you can see John, 25% of the people that saw his profile liked it. So that's 5 people out of 17 said yes. And that based on the average, compare that to the average liked, which is 9%, that means that this guy is mega hot. All right. Which is, I mean, interesting piece of data to know. And then, of course, you can edit your profile and change everything here, you detail, you can add more photos if you want to, but that's basically it. Now, again, this was all built using Glide, and if you go here to the database, you can see that there is 5 tables. You can see all the users here, you can see all the matches are stored here, and you can see also where the photos and different select options you have here, and also all the admin stats that I showed you a moment ago. So I think this is an app that would be great if you're trying to learn Glide to see what's possible with it, because there's some really nifty logic happening behind the scenes, again, without any code whatsoever. And I'm very, very excited about this app. Now, if you want to get a copy of this app for a hefty, beautiful discount, you can go to grumo.com/date app and If you hurry up, you'll be able to get this app and all the logic behind it for you to customize to your heart's desire for almost peanuts. So, if you want, by the way, to learn more about how to build apps, stay tuned to this channel. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.